Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, back in the kitchen. There we are. Our last video on the halloumi kebab was so popular, we decided to do another one. So today we are making a very popular Cypriot soup, afgo lemony. Afgo, egg, lemon. Now, I have got 3 litres of water boiling. There it is.
Remember your salt?
Oh yeah. Put salt in the water. When you're cooking pasta, you have to put salt in the water, don't you? So let's put the salt in the water, and we've got 1 oxo cube.
It's chicken one.
And that's a chicken one, there we are. So if you don't mind, can you put that in there? And the chicken cube. Now you can make this with chicken in it. It's quite popular with chicken in it. I just prefer it as it is, but you can boil up some chicken and put it in it. That's it, 1 stock cube. Look at the size of these lemons. Wow, got them across the road from the neighbour. He does know about it, by the way. Right, so we're going to wait for the water to boil. In the meantime, we'll get our ingredients out. So this is orzo, O-R-Z-O. Can be acquired in the UK or other countries, guys. Just go into your supermarket, you can get it. It looks like rice, but it is actually pasta. There it is. So we've got 3 litres of water and 500 grams of orzo. There it is. There. Now you don't have to make so much, but I'm making enough for the weekend. So you can make little or more as you like. And this is rough amount, guys, because if you've put too much water, it doesn't matter. Right, so I've got these lemons. I'm going to use the small ones first. They're from the other neighbour. And then I'm going to see what these are like inside. I think they've got really thick skin, so I don't think we're going to get a lot of lemon juice out of them, but you never know. You could put it in the microwave first, make them hot, and you get more juice out of them. I'm not going to do that today. I've got so many lemons. There's hundreds and hundreds across the road. So I'm just going to squeeze them out, and then I'm going to put these in the dishwasher. Makes it smell delish, and also helps clean the dishes. So the leftovers can go in the dishwasher, so it don't matter if I don't squeeze it all out. So let's squeeze all the lemon juice while we're waiting for the water to boil. Right, let's have a look at these giant orange. They're not oranges, are they? I was going to say start again, guys, because they look like oranges. No, they're lemons, but look at the size of them. Smells delish. Let's see how much juice we can get out of these. Oh, quite a lot. I'm surprised. Can you hear that running? Let's do the other one. Leave the camera there. Look, watch. You hear that? That's a lot of lemon juice in them lemons, not oranges. Now that'd be ideal for the dishwasher. Let's cut this one open. So you're going to need quite a lot of lemon juice. We don't really measure it out. We just kind of put what we feel. If you want it really lemony, put loads. And of course, once it's finished and you're serving it up, you serve it up with lemons. And if your customers like a little bit more lemon juice, they can put some more in, can't they? How much we got now, do you think? Is that enough? Huh?
It's probably enough, but we like more than enough.
Oh, okay. I'll tell you what. I'll get another massive lemon. Oh, they're a little bit smaller, these ones. I'm coming over. Right, my water's boiling. Lift it up for us, thank you. That's it. Dump it in there. There you go. Easy. Right. So put the lid back on, guys. Bring it to the boil and then leave it boiling for 15 minutes. Meantime, I'll get some more lemon juice. Now this should be plenty, really. Let me see. There's half of it there, but we like it really lemony, so I'm going to use both of these. Right, let's chop them up.
Noisy.
Now you can use rice if you want. We prefer it with this lovely pasta, but you can use rice. If you are using rice, guys, 20 minutes on the boil, not 15. Okay, let's carry on here, and then we've got to do the eggs in a minute. Okay, my lemon's ready. I'm going to put these in the dishwasher, and once that's done I can throw them away. Now we have got eggs here, and these are free range eggs. The bag's gone. We threw the bag away, but if the eggs come in Cyprus in a bag, you know they've come from a little local farm and they're free range.
Show the viewers button.
Oh, this is Button. He doesn't like coming in. Hello. There he is. And we put food out for him. That's your food. He likes a cuddle now and again, but he doesn't come in. Okay, so have we got the timer going? Yes, we have. 14 minutes to go. Right, what do we do with the eggs, you're asking? So normally we'd use 6 eggs, but these are quite small. Some are a little bit bigger than others, look. So I've got 8 this time. Break them into the bowl. There we go. Plop. And we can go over there. Look how small this one is. Tiny. These eggs have come from a neighbour. She was quite excited. Her chickens have started to lay. Brand new chickens. Right. So 8 eggs. This is good. I haven't dropped one bit in there. I shouldn't have done. There we are. 8 eggs. Oh, that one's tiny. 8 free range eggs. Oh, I nearly forgot to mention, the eggs have got to be room temperature. Don't take them out of the fridge, guys. Leave them out. So guys, our orzo has been boiling for 15 minutes. Then we switched off the gas or electric and we've let it cool down for 5 minutes. Put your lemon in. That's a lot of lemon juice, isn't it? Delish. So put that in, stir it around. Let me emphasise, it's been turned off for 5 minutes to cool down. And let's go back to our eggs. Now guys, this is the time to whisk your eggs, not before. Comes out better. And don't use an electric whisker, just a hand one, because you don't want it much, just a little bit, you see. So there we are. Let's break those yolks up and whisk away. As I said, you don't need a lot. Don't want to make it fluffy or anything, just whisk a bit, see? So it's like sort of one colour, I suppose. Here we are. I think a tiny bit more, maybe for 2 minutes there. 2 minutes the maximum. Turn it around. Now guys, the crew's going to do this bit because if I get it wrong I'll be in trouble. Quite a crucial bit. Grab yourself a ladle, there it is. Put it in the soup. There we are. Get some water out and put it slowly into the egg. There we are.
And this raises the temperature.
Oh, so that raises the temperature of the egg. There we are. We'll put some more water in there. That's 2 ladles full. It doesn't matter how many you use.
I normally fill the bottom of the bowl.
Let's have a feel of the bottom of the bowl. Yes, warmer now. Oh yes, put another one just in case. There you go, nice and slow. There you go. Feel the bottom. Yeah, that's warm now.
One more.
There we go. You're going to do one more just in case. You never know. There we go. Doesn't matter if you get a little bit of pasta in the egg, because it's all going to be dumped in there in a minute anyway. Happy with that? Let's have a feel. Yeah, just like warm there on the bottom of the bowl. Right, here comes a crucial moment, guys. Don't be nervous. Alright, this is when you dump.
And keep stirring.
Keep stirring. Keep stirring and dump. There you go. Nice and slowly. Slowly does it. Not too fast. Just keep stirring. There we go. There you go. Right, back on the heat.
And keep stirring.
And keep stirring. There it is. Oh, look at all that lemon. Delish. Now this soup is well known in Cyprus. If you're not well, you have afgolemoni.
Or you've been travelling.
Or you've been travelling. Say you've come for a long flight. You've been on that flight for 4.5 hours all the way back to your country. And you're tired. When you get home, your mum's got this ready. Afgolemoni. Makes you feel much better.
And it's easy to digest.
Easy to digest. Excellent for jet lag. And colds and flus. It's like a cold and flu remedy.
It's like Greek Lucozade, isn't it?
Greek Lucozade. Excellent. Yep, that's what it is. Afgolemoni. If you're not feeling very well, make afgolemoni. There we are. So can you see it? It's all thickening up now. There we are. There we are. Now you've got to bring it back to the boil and then it's ready. We're making loads of this. I want some for the weekend. And once you've had your portion and it's all cooled down and you put it in the fridge for the next day, it will thicken up quite a lot. So the next day, if you want to microwave it or heat it back up, you can always add a little bit of water in it and then heat it back up. We've done a little boo-boo. We've got a little bit of... It happens. We've got a little bit of egg white, guys, there. Doesn't matter. We didn't whisk it enough. You've got to whisk it a little bit longer. Not so it's frothy, but just a little bit longer. Doesn't make any difference.
And sometimes it curdles and it still tastes all right.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. So don't panic, guys. If it curdles a bit, don't panic. It's still fine. It's so easy to make.
There we go.
There you go. Afgolemoni. Delish. You're having a little bowl of it, have you?
Just to test it.
You're having a little bowl. Okay, there
Just
you go.
to test.
Well, I'm going to have mine a little bit later when it cools down.
I like lots of pepper in mine.
Pepper? Oh no, not pepper for me, but you like pepper. I like a little bit of salt in mine. Pepper. Some more pepper. And a little bit of salt. And of course you can taste it, and if there's not enough lemon, you can always squeeze a bit of lemon in.
Soup spoon.
Soup spoon. I don't like soup spoons. I like the other ones. There we are. You're going to have a taste. Mind, it's going to be very, very hot. Delish.
Triple delish.
Oh, triple delish. Is that enough lemon?
Yeah.
A little bit too lemony, but that doesn't matter, guys. I love it lemony. And if it's too thick, you can always add some more water in it, guys. So there we are. Easy to make, guys. A great flu and cold remedy, and a great remedy for jet lag. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.